One-click inspire quotes. Mandela's Legacy, Unity in Wisdom at One-click inspire quotes. Nelson Mandela once demonstrated the extraordinary power of forgiveness, stating, "Resentment is like drinking poison and then hoping it will kill your enemies." Let us learn from his example and embrace forgiveness as a catalyst for personal and collective healing. Mandela's life teaches us that it always seems impossible until it's done. In the face of seemingly insurmountable challenges, his determination triumphed. May we draw strength from his resilience as we navigate our own difficulties. A leader is like a shepherd. He stays behind the flock, letting the most nimble go out ahead, whereupon the others follow, not realizing that all along they are being directed from behind, Mandela observed. Let us reflect on the true essence of leadership, a guiding force that empowers and uplifts others. Mandela often spoke of Ubuntu, the African philosophy that says, "I am because we are." This interconnectedness reminds us of our shared humanity. Let Ubuntu be the guiding principle in our interactions, fostering unity and understanding. To be free is not merely to cast off one's chains, but to live in a way that respects and enhances the freedom of others, Mandela passionately declared. Let justice be the cornerstone of our actions, ensuring freedom and dignity for all. Unity in diversity echoes through Mandela's vision. As he envisioned, "I dream of an Africa which is in peace with itself." Let us work towards a world where diverse cultures coexist harmoniously, celebrating the beauty of our differences. Mandela recognized the potential within the youth, stating, "Sometimes it falls upon a generation to be great." Let us empower and invest in our youth, for they carry the torch of progress and positive change. For to be free is not merely to cast off one's chains, but to live in a way that respects and enhances the freedom of others, Mandela emphasized. Let us commit to dismantling the chains of inequality, working towards a society where all have equal opportunities. Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. Let Mandela's wisdom guide our commitment to education as a transformative force, shaping a world where knowledge empowers and uplifts. In these 4 minutes, we've glimpsed into the wisdom of Nelson Mandela, a leader who exemplified forgiveness, triumph over adversity, and a relentless pursuit of justice. Let us carry his legacy forward, drawing inspiration from his timeless words. Thank you.
Subscribe, like, share, and comment.
One-click inspire quotes.